This video is one in a series which explains the Rochdale Borough Safeguarding Children's Partnership response to child neglect. Here we will focus on the new Neglect Toolkit. All resources are available at www.rochdalesafeguarding.com. The Neglect Toolkit contains two versions of the tool. One is a long format which allows for a full assessment to be recorded on a sole document. This provides a consistent multi-agency approach and can be utilized by any agencies involved with a neglect case. The second is a quick list designed to help you quickly consider if the child or young person's needs are being met or not. Both tools were developed from feedback. Practitioners requested a short, concise tool that is participative. Early feedback from trials with partners across education, health, and early help was extremely positive. Professionals noted how useful the toolkit was in helping the early identification and assessment of neglect. The child neglect tool is organized into three main sections. Section 1 provides information to professionals with regards to using the tool. Where you see a hyperlink in this section, such as the word professional curiosity, you will be directed to knowledge and information to help you with your specific neglect assessment and planning. The information section provides practitioners with direct access to accompanying documents, such as the Rochdale Children's Needs and Responses Framework. The strategic key questions are available on the tool information section. These key questions are explained in more detail on the child neglect strategy video. Practitioners should consider the child's age profile when completing the tool. There is a link provided to child neglect age profile guidance to assist this consideration. Finally, throughout the information section you will see the emphasis of ensuring the child and family are part of the assessment. In the second section, the next 5 pages allow for specific assessment of different aspects of neglect. These areas are physical care, health, safety and supervision, care and nurture, with the last section as development. These sections allow you to discover what the specific identification of neglect is, and work with the family to record section-specific strengths and risks. A RAG-rated guidance is provided, but practitioners need to be aware, this is not a defined list of questions. Professional curiosity and strategic key questions should be the main factor of observation in each individual case. All sections should be considered during assessment. Think about which specific needs are not being met and remember to consider family strengths and risks in all areas. The final section has been produced to replicate the format of a SWOT analysis. This allows the practitioner to reflect on previous sections and combine the evidence gathered onto one page. You will be able to observe what has specifically been identified and how your conclusion is being formed. You will be able to analyze assessment strengths and vulnerabilities whilst discovering any assessment gaps that may need to be revisited. You will also be able to use the assessment evidence to formulate next steps of planning by using the opportunity and risk sections. Ensure any planning involves the child and family. Each section on the summary has prompts to aid thinking, but these are not exhaustive. The summary section is also a valuable tool for safeguarding reflection during supervision of a child neglect case. Finally, once all sections are complete, revisit the information section for guidance of next steps. RBSCP feels this tool has been developed after listening to practitioners and families. We feel the multi-agency nature of the tool will allow for a consistent approach to identifying child neglect across the Borough of Rochdale. To download the tool and find more information about child neglect, please visit our website, www.rochdalesafeguarding.com.